Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is an electric egg cooker, so I can use this to boil eggs, poach eggs, make hard-boiled eggs, whatever the case may be that you guys want to use this for. That's up to you guys. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product and see what it actually looks like and what comes with the package first. Alright, so when we first open the product itself, this is what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys a little user manual instruction guide to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then there's a little protective layer underneath that. So let's take that out first. So inside the product is all nicely wrapped, if you guys can see right there. Let's take it out. So everything is nicely wrapped, if you guys can see. The one that we got right here is the pink color, but they do have a green color one as well. Very nice kind of like lid right here that you can use to remove it. And they also provide you guys some other accessories here as well. So you can use this for a lot of stuff, not just for eggs. That's why they provide you guys this little tray. So if you guys want to put other stuff in here to steam as well, you guys can do that as well. So here's a little stainless steel tray that they provide you guys. And right here is the one for the egg. So you can put eggs in here. And if you guys take a look at the egg tray right here, they also provide you guys a little measuring cup. So you can use that measuring cup to like measure how much to add in terms of the water. This is a little measuring cup that's very, very cute, if you guys can see. And here's a little egg tray. And then right here is the base tray, so I assume this is where you guys will put in the water right here to kind of steam the product inside. Whether you guys want to steam vegetables, dumplings, eggs, whatever the case may be, that's up to you guys. But also if you guys don't know how to use the product itself, it is provided for you guys right here in the user guide right here. So everything on all instructions on how to poach the eggs. If you guys want to use it for regular eggs, whatever the case may be, that's up to you guys. But everything is all on here. So just to show you guys what I mean right there. So all the instructions are right here. And one last thing that I want to mention about the product before we test it out is the fact that for this product, it also has a auto shut off on the product itself to turn off after a period of time. And if you guys are wondering how to use the product itself, obviously you need to plug this part in first. There's a 3-prong right here. And then you guys need to press this button right here to activate it. But overall, a very simple product and easy to use. So let's actually go try this out first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so first thing you guys want to do is add in the water for what you guys are going to be cooking with. So I'm going to add roughly around 50 milliliters. Alright, so what you guys want to do now is add in the water in here. And you guys want to put this layer on top like this. And then put this one on top. If you guys want to use it for dumplings or anything else. If you guys want to use it for eggs, you guys can put the eggs on top right here. Otherwise, you can just use this and put it on top for like other stuff. So I'm just going to make some like dumplings on here. Alright, so we got our dumplings right here. So we can fit roughly around 4 of them here. So we'll just make 4 of them for now and then do more if we need to later. So we want to close the lid first, just like this. And then you guys want to plug in the cable. And then you guys want to push the button on the product itself to activate it. So once you guys push the button, it should light up blue like this. And you just have to wait for it to do its own magic. So depending on how much water you add, that's how long it will last. So since we added roughly around 50 milliliters, it will be done in around like 7 minutes or so. So we'll come back and check on it in 7 minutes. Alright, so it looks like the light turned off by itself. So let's see if it's done. Alright. So you can see that turned out really well. If it's not done yet, then just add some more water and just steam it a little bit longer. So if we take this out and look at the bottom, there should be no more water underneath. Alright, so as you see, there's barely any of the water left. So that's how you guys know when the product is off, and that's how it turns off by itself. Alright, so I'm going to do one more test just to show you guys when it actually works. This time I'm going to boil this egg right here. So I'm going to do like a soft or medium boil and see how it looks like. So when I'm pouring the water right here, we got roughly around 45 milliliters. Most likely if you guys want to, you can even put one right here. So that way there's 7. Since we're only doing 1, then we'll just put 1 for now in the middle like that. Next you guys just want to close the lid like this. And then turn it on. And we'll come back and check on it after like maybe 6 to 7 minutes. Alright, let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so it doesn't look like anything happened, but we have to open it up and see what the inside of the egg looks like. And obviously when you guys are peeling it, you guys want to be careful so that way you guys don't ruin the egg. Especially if it's a soft boiled egg. It's like very delicate. Alright, so we got a soft boiled egg right here. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like and see whether it's actually a soft boiled egg or not. Alright, so I'm pretty sure once I pop this yellow part right here, the yolk, it's going to explode. So let's pop it and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, it's made just right. So the product itself does work actually works really well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of product itself, you guys can see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. All you guys need to do is add in your eggs, your vegetables, dumplings, or whatever you guys want to make in here. Press the button and it is all set. And when you guys are done, just open it up and look at your product and try it out. One thing I also want to mention about the product itself, if you guys look right here, they have a little hole right here that let the steam out, so that way the steam is not stuck inside here. So when you guys do open up the lid, be careful right here in the hole right here and not burn yourself. So that's the overall product itself. Everything looks very nice and super cute. Very nice color and everything. Very nice little design. Very nice little handle right here that you guys can actually open up really easily. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys like boiling eggs, steaming stuff. If you guys want to steam your vegetables or dumpling, you guys can do all of that on here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have